Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Pow, pow, pow. Pow, pow, pow. What a good day. Anyway, I'm having a great day. Things just keep happening, and I had a job interview today, and I'll know probably by the time this is up, I might know if I have it or not. They say they'll let me know either way, so the excitement is in the air. But we're doing a look today with a palette that I got in Boxycharm this month, and it is the Ayana palette from Natasha Denona. Please like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell. I am so close to 1,400 subscribers. I know I just hit 13, but with the success of my most recent video from Jeffree Star, I gained some subscribers. So there's going to be a 1,400 subscriber giveaway very soon, and it is going to be spectacular. I'm putting things together for that right now, and so stay tuned for that. This palette is gorgeous. It is cool toned, and I'm so excited I got this palette because I don't have enough cool tone palettes, I think, in my opinion. So I'm going to swatch it right here. And this is going to give me, there's a little foundation there, excuse me on that. But it's very beautiful, very pigmented. And it's going to give me an opportunity to use this beautiful cool tone nude lippy called Hidden Hills that I got in one of my Jeffree Star mystery boxes in the last few weeks. Because I got 2 of them. One from Beauties and one from Jeffree himself. So let's get started and make something pretty. I love making the pretties. The pretties. Let's make the pretties, shall we? That sounds like we're gonna make babies. Maybe I should say that differently. Let's get it started. Yeah, let's get it started in here. I'm going to start with this in the crease, the center shade. And that is a beautiful crease color, and it blends out very nicely. I think I'm going to add just a little bit more over here. It's a little darker on one side than the other. That looks a lot more even. Even Steven. It's hard to get these eyes to match because one's higher than the other, or one's bigger than the other. It's all wonderful. And I know I talk about it a lot, but a lot of us have asymmetrical features. And it's okay, and I love my face, even though it's a little asymmetrical. I'm going to use this corner here, this color in my corner. And I was just thinking what this color reminds me of. It reminds me of mushrooms. Like the kind, not the psychedelic ones, but the regular old button mushrooms that we're all so familiar with. Why do I go psychedelics? I don't know. I do have a past. Everyone's got a past. Things happened. Maybe one day I'll share that with you. I'm going to go into this beautiful shimmery green color and put that on my lid. And that looks beautiful. And it's very soft. Got a little there on the bridge of my nose. That is what tissues are for. But that looks very pretty. I think I'm going to darken up the outside corner just a little tiny bit with just a dab just a tiny dab of this darker brown. It really gives it a lot of depth. I'm just going to blend that out, keep it real soft. I think that looks great. I love this palette so far. It goes on like a dream. A nice, simple, beautiful look is fantastic. And I'm going to use my Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is called Gold Digger. It is a dark brown, cool eyeliner. And this pale green makes my eyes react so beautifully to them. I do have green eyes, and it is gorgioso. I'm going to use the Pat McGrath Fetishized Mascara on my lashes. And that just looks fantastic. And as I said, I'm going to use this beautiful nude called Hidden Hills from Jeffree Star. I can't wait to try it out. I think I need a little liner with this. I think I'm going to use this Bodyography lip pencil. That looks really pretty. Now we're going to do the Hidden Hills. And this is a beautiful nude. I totally love this. And I love this cool tone look that I've made with the Ayana palette from Pat McGrath. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.